Hello, in front of me I've got STK Life 9. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter Settings, go to Display, and here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable night light, and change its intensity. Then we can change wallpaper, sleep time between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, auto rotate screen, font size, display size, and device theme between automatic, light and dark. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.